the one thing I have to tell you is that I watched you cook, we had tea, and this food that you laid in front of me today is quite unusual. Yeah. And what is also interesting is that we've been joined by Radhika's little girl, Shloka here. Food. Does she like tea?
She is my little helper. So every tea ceremony I go for, and if she has chutti, she joins me. She loves serving tea to the audience.
You do?
Yes. And she loves, what's your favorite tea?
Rose petals.
Rose petals. Lovely. And you like this food made by Mama? Okay. I also am going to taste some of this food. Come on, let's go for it. Let's serve her some first. So here is our salad, which is made of green tea, right?
That's right. It's a Longin green tea.
It's a really unusual salad, predominantly because of the ingredients. I think what the tea does is it adds a certain astringentness to it. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Because you've added such wonderful nuts to it, it's just a really nice and refreshing, crunchy salad. Very nice. Now, to attack the chicken. You said that I should put the noodles in there. I'll put some chicken on top of it to eat it. Yeah. Chicken. Smoky chicken with oolong. It's very nice. Yeah? When you were cooking it,
Yeah.
it was very light. But by the time we finished drying it out completely, it became nice and roasted literally.
That's right. It's because of the smoky oolong.
And I wasn't expecting this, honestly, you know.
Seriously?
Yeah. I was a little apprehensive of how this thing is going to taste with tea leaves and all that. But this is a very, very interesting taste. It's very nice. There's a sweetness to it. There is the tanginess because of the zest. And plus there's a smokiness.
Great.
This is amazing. Honest to God, fairly unorthodox, this kind of food. You know, it's mind-opening, if I may call it that. This is genuinely a very interesting salad. This chicken, smoky as it is, has got some wonderful flavors. Now I want to cleanse my palate with some popsicle. Okay, so this is the wonderful looking popsicle which we made, which was kept in the freezer and is now ready to eat. And you give me honey to dip it into?
That's
what?
right. Put a little honey down for you
Okay.
to dip into.
This is like a little baraf ka gola on the road.
Exactly. That was the purpose.
Oh, this is quite nice. I like it. There's no sugar in this, yet this is very refreshing. It will do very well as a post-meal dessert that I pine for something. Kuch meetha chahiye, you know. And this feels healthy. The children like it. So what more do we want? This is great. So Radhika, you've sort of, you know, opened my eyes. I think you've opened the eyes of a lot of people back home as well. Because for us, chai means just ek chai ho jaye. Drinking tea, a variety of them, various ways of drinking them, not necessarily with milk and sugar, great. And then to top that, you cooked with tea leaves, which is even better. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Thank you so much, Radhika. Well, that brings us to the end of this episode of The Food. If you want to write to us at weekend@timesnow.tv. Till the next time, it's bye.